I'm today in front of me XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro, and I'll show you how to take screenshots without buttons on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down to the additional settings. Now just tap to the gesture shortcuts, and here you'll see the take a screenshot section, tap there, and just to enable the this option, just tap here once on the switcher, and now just by slide with your 3 fingers down at the same time you can take a screenshot. You can tap here on this screen. Now just I'll enter my password, and here you can just customize your screenshot. As can you see, we can delete the screen, you can just share with someone with this screenshot. Also, we just can save this screen, and then just to find the screenshot you should go to the gallery. Oh, sorry, I just go to the Gmail, go to the gallery, and here in the albums you get the screenshot folder, and here you can find your all previously taken screenshots. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe our channel.